In this video, we're going to be sharing all the things that you need as you're exiting the country of Belize through land. We're going to be taking the borders of Santa Elena, passing through to Chetumal, which is Quintana Roo. I hope this is going to be helpful for you as one day you're going to be planning to exit the country. Number one, you need a pass. As Belizeans, we need a pass to exit the border. The application goes to the immigration department and they will consider what kind of pass you will be receiving. There's few conditions. Educational is one, medical purpose, and also business. If you're a tourist, you do not require an exit from Belize into Mexico. You just need to stamp your passport, pay your exit fee of tourism, then you check out, you take a taxi just like the Belizeans have to do. You pay $10 and he will take you to the spraying facility where the Belizean taxi can no longer cross into Mexico. You fill a form for an exiting Belize into Mexico. There you take a Mexican taxi, you pay 300 pesos and he will take you to the Mexican border where you're gonna stamp your passport. He will wait for you and no COVID test is required to enter into Mexico. There the taxi will take you wherever you wanna go. For me, I'm heading to Cancun and I found out that the last bus to Cancun airport is at 6 p.m. Do not miss it. This is what has changed. We used to have bus at 6 p.m., at 8 p.m., at 12 p.m. and even at 1 in the morning. Not anymore. If you keep watching this video, you will find out how to exchange Belizean currency into pesos. My encouragement for you is to arrive in Chetumal, buy your bus ticket. Once you have that cleared, then go and pick up some food as you prepare yourself to travel to whatsoever destination you're going to be going. Like this, it gives me the opportunity to go to the mall and to remember the good old days as we see the beautiful shopping mall, the atmosphere that you feel in there, especially when you're walking into the cinema. My goodness, we miss those days. I know, we're all missing it. So I hope as you watch this video, you can learn a little bit more of what is taking place here at the mall in Chetumal. One of the first things that I caught up was the exchange. You could not even exchange pesos, not in the mall because the business was closed. Belizeans are not coming anymore as they used to, so the money exchange was closed. So I had to change Belizean money for Mexican with a taxi driver so I can get the journey started. You're probably wondering, how did I get a pass or a permit to cross the borders of Belize into Mexico? I am doing an essential business, which is bringing apples for a fundraising for Belize Camping Experience during Christmas time. So my permit got approved 2 months ago. Once your permit is approved, your pass is at the borders and you can use it anytime you want as long as you're doing it for essential purposes, medical purposes, or education purposes. Remember that. You need to keep reminding yourself that not anyone gets a pass to cross the borders, but hoping that by the end of the year, the government of Belize will open the borders so that we can have a normal life again. But here it goes. Follow the story as we're going to travel into Chihuahua. So I made it. I'm still walking. Pray for me. The journey has started. Traveling in Mexico has been very easy going. I definitely want to keep you track as we travel in different parts of Mexico and how it's like in this pandemic. Love you guys. Miss you. Peace. Well, I have arrived to one of the biggest states in the entire country of Mexico, Chihuahua. The people there are called Chihuas, like Belizeans, but Chihuas. Here, the culture changes. The food is so different from what we get in Chetumal or Quintana Roo. Los chiles rellenos, el frijolito, and the cheese, guys, is so delicious. I cannot explain it to you, but the food is fantastic in this region. I hope this video has been helpful. And remember, don't be scared, be smart, and keep it unbelizeable as we explore El Corredor in Cuauhtémoc, one of the longest cities made out of one road in the entire world, El Corredor. And don't forget to hit the notification button and start following the Unbelizeable Perez's.